Hello, my name is Tarun Agarwal, and in this video I'm going to share with you how to sell a digital product using Kajabi tool. So let's go ahead and let's do it. Okay, so if you want to try Kajabi for yourself, you can take a free trial. Go to dnaclub.in/Kajabi, and that's my affiliate link, and using this you can actually get 30 days free trial to use this wonderful tool. So let's go ahead. So for this, to sell your digital product, first you need to create a digital product. Okay, and when you log into your Kajabi portal, go to products. Okay, and your digital product can be in a form of a ebook, it can be in a form of a course, or maybe community, maybe consulting, coaching, podcast. So you can monetize all these things, okay, through Kajabi. So in Kajabi, there is a module called products, and under product, you can find all these things. Now let's say, for an example, you have a course which you want to sell, and you have created a course. Okay, some video courses you have already created. Now click on courses here. Okay, under products, and then click on get started. Again, it will ask you what type of product it is: course, podcast, community, or coaching. So these are the different options. So I'm selecting courses only, and then I'm clicking on get started. Clear? So with this, now it is going to ask me the course title. Okay, now say for example, I'm saying DNA Club Diamond Membership. Okay, say for example, Diamond Membership, and let's say continue. Okay, so now it is asking me what type of course it is. Okay, blank course, online course. Okay, so let's select online course only. So what it is going to do, it is going to give me some set of modules. Okay, so this is a cover photo, appearance of the course, so I can upload a poster of the course here. So for the time being, let's skip it. Is it a free course or a paid course? So for the time being, let's skip it for now. Okay, so we'll discuss about payment options later on, but let's skip it. So this way our product is created, and now what we have to do, we just have to upload the videos, our course videos, under this product. Okay, so for example, you created diamond level membership, gold level membership, silver level membership. So actually it gives you a structure of the course, like course introduction. Then these are just a structure of the course, that's it. Now if in case you have a video called introduction of the course, welcome to the course, click here, and then you can edit the lesson, where you can actually upload your video, you can upload your audio. So actually Kajabi gives you a ready to use template, okay, course template, where now you can just click on video, upload your first video here, and here you can actually update this content also. Okay, after you upload your video, then you can also upload your poster of that particular course lesson. Okay, like lesson 1, lesson 2, like this way you can design a poster, lesson 1 poster from Canva, and then you can upload it here. So publish, then click on save. So this way it is going to upload one video, and this will be video number 1 about the instructor, like this. Now if in case you don't want this particular category, you can click here and you can actually delete the lesson. Clear? So this way you can upload your course. Now say for example, let's say for an example, this course is ready, you've uploaded all your video here. Now the next step would be to create an offer. Okay, if you want to sell this course, so for this we have to go to sales, and then click on offer, and under offer then click on get started. Okay, so offer title, now say for example DNA you can say advanced course. Okay, and now I have to select the product. So under advanced course I'm selecting this product. So I can select multiple products also. Just imagine you have you can bundle multiple courses into a single offer. Okay, right? So this is the offer I've created, then selected a product, and payment type free or paid. So when you set up your Kajabi account for the very first time, in that case you have to actually you have to integrate Stripe or PayPal with Kajabi. So if I click here, take me there. So it is going to ask me to integrate my Stripe or PayPal account. So what you need to do, click on connect here. It is very simple. Okay, click on connect, and then if you already have a Stripe account, click on login, and this will be automatically integrated. If you have not created a Stripe account, click on create Stripe and just follow the instructions, create a Stripe account, and this will be automatically integrated with your Kajabi account. Okay, now once your Stripe account is integrated, then your offer, you can keep it as a paid offer. Now for a dummy purpose I'm using this one. Now let me go to my real project. Okay, so let me go to products. Okay, and this is the real. I mean, this is my own portal live. So if I go to sales, so basically what I'm using the figure here is I'm not using Stripe and PayPal much. I'm actually using Razorpay, okay, which is in India. I'm from India, so here we have a Razorpay account. So through Razorpay, I actually collect the payment and then I grant an offer. So these are the different offers which I've created, like platinum membership, okay, and the diamond membership, gold membership. So if I click here on DNA diamond offer, so here what I've done is I have actually included two courses, two products, and now what I can do here is I can click on. You can see the options here, okay. So what I can do, I can click here on settings and just check out all the settings available here, okay. Get notified when a purchase has been made, okay. Activate some affiliate commission if in case you want to share the affiliate commission, okay. So that is a separate topic. So if you want to change the pricing, click on pricing here at the offer level, and here we can actually update, like if you want to charge one-time payment or multiple payment subscription, or maybe if you want to keep it free. So this way, this is a one-time payment for 25,000 Indian currency. Then this is the amount, and then I have both Stripe and PayPal integrated already done. So this way I have set this up, and then once we set this offer, tagging the products. Next step is only to click on get link, okay. Click on get link and just copy this link. Now if anybody gets this link, now this is the link which you have to give to the customer to make the payment. Once they make the payment, then automatically they will get the course access and you get the payment on your bank account, okay. So this is the way, one way how you can grant access. Second way is maybe just like in my case, second case may be that you are collecting payment outside Kajabi. Maybe you are not using Stripe or you are not using PayPal, you are using some other payment gateway. In my case, I'm using Razorpay for this, okay. So in that case, what I do, I collect the payment, and then through Zapier also we can integrate. So I have integrated my silver level membership. So once I receive a payment through Razorpay, automatically the access is given in Kajabi offer, okay. Offer is granted. But if I want to grant an offer manually, then what I can do, I can select the contact here. All the contacts will be available here under contacts, okay. All these contacts are available. So suppose this person has bought my course, I will select this person, and then what I will do, I will click on bulk action and will click on grant offer. And from here also I can select the particular offer which I want to give, example platinum 6 months, and then click on submit. So in that case, this person is going to receive an email from Kajabi that okay, access has been granted. So this is the way how you can actually sell your digital product using Kajabi. So this is very simple. So if you want to try Kajabi for free, okay, I suggest you to go to dnaclub.in/Kajabi. This is actually my affiliate link. If you use my affiliate link, you can actually try Kajabi for 30 days absolutely free. If you check this directly from Kajabi website, you will get only 14 days. So that's a benefit for you. And also, if you take Kajabi through my affiliate link, it is going to support me in this channel. This channel is absolutely free for you. I'm not charging anything for these tutorials. And if in case you take action through my affiliate link, I'm going to help you to set up. Okay, these are the bonuses I'm going to give you. That is, you can actually book a free personal consultation call with me. Okay, just after taking it, you will receive an email. Okay, that with my Calendly link, so that you can book a 60 minutes personal meeting with me absolutely free, where I will help you to set up Kajabi for you. You also get access to a private Facebook group for support system, and also I'm going to give you a free landing page template for webinar registration. So this is going to really help you to set up Kajabi really very fast. Okay, so that's it. Do check it out. And this is a one tool through which I'm actually managing my multiple businesses. So if you're into online business, maybe affiliate marketing, network marketing, maybe you are a coach, a consultant, go ahead and build your entire business only by using Kajabi. It has powerful automation system, funnels, landing pages, website, everything in one place. Okay. So this is world-class quality tool. So welcome to the world of Kajabi. Check out the links in this video description. If you have any question related to Kajabi, use the comment box below. You can ask your questions, and I will create another video on this YouTube channel. Subscribe to the channel also. See you in the next video. Thank you.